Not all our days are so filled with drama. This just happened to be one of them.
I know we talk a lot of smack about New Jersey, but where we live is really beautiful.
I did go 5 rounds in the UFC. I want to keep that part of my life secret.
We're supposed to be on a pizza tour this weekend. We're headed up to New Hope, right? New Haven, Connecticut for a pizza tour. We're gonna hit Sally's a Pizza. However, we had to change some plans. So if you've been watching us, you know we put our motorhome for sale. It sold very quickly in like less than 12 hours or so. And with that being said, we're not going to use the motorhome. So the party's coming to pick it up in 6 days, but we're gonna leave it there. We just don't wanna risk anything. We're changing plans. You guys have asked for this. We've never done a video like this, so we're gonna do just a normal day in our life. Actually, this is not normal. The day started off early in the morning, like 1:50 a.m. with a very interesting thump that I heard. And if you watched our channel, you know MJ. It's been a while. She's due. She was due for an injury, and she did not let us down. She did kind of injure herself. Nothing serious. Well, I don't know. She could explain it.
I was really excited to get up today, have a nice long workout, and we were just gonna, do a day in the life, right? People ask a lot. So as he said, it was about 1:15. I woke up.
No, 1:50.
Oh, 1:50.
Yeah, 1:49:40 to be exact.
Like that. I got up because I had to go to the bathroom. I have low blood pressure a lot of, that's just what I am. I've always been like that. So I've been told you have to sit before you get up. When you wake up, sit on the edge of the bed for a few seconds. And I've been like this since in my 20s. Like I just get up too fast, I get dizzy. I still haven't learned my lesson. Well, I think I learned it last night. So I got up, almost jumped out of bed, went to the door, opened the door, and the next thing I remember, I'm on the floor. And there you go. So I'm not going to leave it on the camera too long because it is a little disturbing, but I did go 5 rounds in a UFC fight. That's really what happened. I just did, kind of want to keep that part of my life secret. But yeah, I mean, I went down and I got a
nice bruise.
Yeah, like the whole left side is pretty bad. Luckily, I don't think I broke anything. We're actually going to this will be part of the day in the life. We're going to go to the urgent care and just make sure nothing is broken here. I mean, Izzy was asking me questions to make sure my brain was functioning okay when it happened. Obviously I was shaken up, but
It's just another day in the life of MJ.
I got no sleep after. I think I was up till like 5. I slept from 5 to 5:30 and then I'm like, forget it. So no workout for me today. We're going to head to urgent care. Yeah, just send me some good vibes that this kind of goes away sooner than later.
We still do have some things to do today. I'll get my workout in and then we're going to take her to urgent care.
We have videos.
We got videos we got to do. Like we have to do them. And then there's just a lot. Like the grass is long and MJ will be resting. I'll be out there. And then we are going to go to a pizza place local because New Jersey does have great pizza. This isn't another Portnoy review. I've been here several times, but MJ hasn't been there in several years. So we're going to take you along with that. And this is what goes on, guys. On like behind the scenes, everything is not trips and fun. It takes a lot to run a channel and you guys seem like you want to be interested. So I don't know why you want to be interested, but we're going to take you along. A tour of our home gym. One of the things when we're out on the road that we miss is access to this. It's pretty awesome. But we have a treadmill, elliptical, Peloton. Nearest MJ can look at herself. No, I'm just kidding.
Not right now, I'm not.
Adjustable dumbbells, 2 benches. We have a tonal. This thing is awesome. You can do a full workout on that. What's all these things called? Oh, Total Gym. Sorry, Total Gym. I don't use that. That was before we had the tonal. I use that once in a while, but not all the time. Medicine balls, weights, different things in here, different pieces of equipment. But you get a full workout in here. Most of the things you could do at the gym, you mix it with other things, but it's super convenient. So I'll be here for a little bit. This thing is on the weekend, I'm off from work. I could split the workouts up. If you've been watching our channel, I've been nursing a little bit of a foot injury. It was about 6 weeks, right? That I was told not to run. But that was my longest run in about 6 weeks, about 3.25 miles. So trying to build up back to where I was, it's the foot. I'm being slow and meticulous about not injuring it again because it kind of sucks not running for 6 weeks, especially when you like to run. But anyway, breakfast, take MJ to Medi Center, and then some housework, some videos, and I don't know what else we're gonna do.
Our weekends are usually packed with work and videos because it's the only time, Izzy's out of the house working during the week. So the weekends are really kind of a catch-up time. So our goal this week is to get a bunch of videos this weekend, hopefully I can hold up.
Now we have a tripod.
True. And you have one hand you can hold, but I think I'll be okay. So if you're following the trend that's currently going on right now, I beat the gorilla. Let's just put it that way. If you don't know what trend I'm talking about, go on Google and look it up. Anyway, so we just left. We were here for about 3 hours. It looks so much. I'll give you a little sneak peek again. It's just getting worse by here. One quick. Okay, done. But I got blood work done. Everything was good. I got a full CAT scan, head, brain, everything, because I did hit pretty hard. Thank God, no fractures on my face. I was worried about, like a fracture up here, no fractures there, no fluid or anything going on in my brain. So praise Jesus, thank God, I'm good. I just look like a horror movie right now and will for probably a couple weeks. But my face will eventually get back to the color that it was. And luckily I'm not in a crazy amount of pain right now. If I touch it,
I think you would have been a lot.
Yeah, if I touch it, it's a 10. But if it's just here, it's not too bad. So it could have been way worse. I'm very grateful. I just have to wear sunglasses for the next 2 weeks, and then I should be okay.
So now, if you watched since the beginning of the video, we had some tasks for the day. Those are obviously not going to happen. Everything's going to get pushed back.
Yeah.
It was supposed to get a lot of rain today, so our grass is pretty long. It just sprouted up like in 2 days.
It's
like
crazy,
3 inches.
yeah.
It's insane. So I'm going to cut that down, do the first one of the season, throw some seed down. Because tonight, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday is supposed to rain. Also, I don't know, did we talk about it before?
No.
I was supposed to be picking up, you were going to go pick up Jason Monday.
School. Yeah.
Well, pick him up Tuesday, leave by us Monday. That's not going to happen because she has one eye now. So I'm going to drive down to pick him up, which, whatever, it's not that far of a trip.
No, it's about 7 hours, and you guys will have some good male bonding.
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed, though. I was really looking forward to going down and seeing him, but he'll be home now. I'll see him the next day.
And we're still going out for pizza tonight because we have to celebrate MJ's face.
Celebrate lack of brain trauma. And I will be dining in sunglasses. So I know we talk a lot of smack about New Jersey, and there are a lot of parts in New Jersey that stink. But where we live is really beautiful, and this is where we walk Bowser all the time. It's forest, there's a brook running right down there, and people come here to hike. It's just gorgeous, and you don't even realize, New Jersey's called the Garden State. There's some really beautiful places in our state.
So on the weekends, especially in the summer, but it's really all year, but in the summer it gets crazy. It's pretty quiet right now, but there'll be a lot of out-of-state plates that come hiking. We're very fortunate. We live footsteps from pretty popular hiking area in this northern New Jersey area. A lot of people from New York come. A lot of people from other kind of inner city counties will come here. It's like pristine. It's so beautiful up here. It is a beautiful day out, 84 degrees. It's supposed to rain the rest of the weekend, but today is really nice. We just got off the phone with Matt from Liquefied, who
called to make fun of me.
Called to make fun of MJ.
In a loving way, of course.
But he did. He's like, you got to put a Liquefied ad in this video. We're like, so we are. Sponsor this video is Liquefied RV Black Tank Treatment, enzyme based, made in the USA. It's a great product. We use it in our motorhome. We did a full video on how it works. We'll link it up above. What's nice about it, they have all different, they actually have 2 different scents, the lavender and the orange, but they also have the pods, the liquid, the powder.
And just wait till you hear the discount code, guys.
You're going to love this.
Just wait.
Only Mac could do this. They do have tank sensor cleaner, which we've used and it works. They have great tank treatment, which we use now also because our sensors are getting a little screwed up. That works also. They have wonderful reviews. They're available in Camping World, Walmart, or you can go to liquefiedrv.com, make your purchase. When you do make a purchase, you will be entered to win a new Alliance RV, a Delta, which they're giving away in early June. You have until May 31st to enter that. Now, if you don't want to buy something, you can go and enter for free. What's even better, if you go to liquefiedrv.com and you use the discount code
Black Eye.
Black Eye. How great is that?
Thanks, Matt.
24% off. When you have served lemons, you got to make lemonade.
Absolutely.
We love Matt, Liquefied. They have a great product. You can read their reviews. We'll put the link down below. Again, liquefiedrv.com. That was good.
That was really good.
And what's nice about that place is that their prices are very reasonable. So we ordered, not realizing how much food it really was, to order like a salad each and then a pizza each, because they're not huge pizzas.
But they were.
But they were, yeah. So you could easily, 2 people can eat there for $30 with a salad and a pizza if that's what you wanted to do. So the secret is, not a secret, but get the salad. Pizzas come out piping hot. Give them about 10 minutes to cool down once everything starts firming up, and then it's just ready to go to town.
It was so good.
We got through a lot of it. I kind of cut myself. I could have finished it, but I didn't want to feel sick. And Jason coming home in a couple of days, and he's, unfortunately for him, not really had good pizza down in Lynchburg, so we're going to save him those slices. I'm sure he'll appreciate it. We're back home. I'm going to finish, remember I told you earlier, that split workout. I'm going to finish that up. About 7 o'clock, probably be wrapped up, I don't know, on 8:30 or so. And then UFC's on tonight, which is kind of awesome. Hopefully MJ can get some sleep. Her eye is open now, which is good. It's like really black and blue, but it's open. It's not shut.
It's not even black. It's literally purple. But yes, it is. We're not going to inflict any more of it on you. But I can actually see out of it now, which is great.
So what we didn't get done today were videos, but we can make up for that. The good thing is there's nothing major other than cosmetic with MJ. Mm-hmm. I was able to clean out the bays of the motorhome to get ready for the new owner that's supposed to be coming Thursday. Yes, our bedroom is purple. That's MJ's favorite color. You might be like, what is this? It's purple, yes.
But show this. I mean, look at the painting.
So we promise not all our days are so filled with drama. This just happened to be one of them. But we hope you enjoyed it. In the comments below, let us know, what is the day like in your life? Are you prone to accidents like my wife is here? So we were good for probably about 6 months, and then another one's going to come up. Something will happen.
I keep saying maybe I'll turn over a new leaf.
If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV Vlogs playlist. We'll also put our RV Newbies playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime. And we'll see you on the road.